The best automatic watches of 2023. No batteries required. Welcome to our channel, where timekeeping meets innovation. In today's video, we present to you the top 5 watches that requires no batteries. These remarkable timepieces harness the power of ingenuity and mechanical precision to keep ticking without even needing a battery replacement. We've scoured the horological landscape to bring the finest examples of self-sustaining timekeeping. So sit back, relax, and join us as we count down the best battery-free watches that we are sure to captivate both watch enthusiasts and casual observers alike. But before we dive into the list, here's a trivia question for you. Which famous Swiss watch manufacturer is credited with patenting the self-winding automatic movement? Is it A. Rolex, B. Omega, C. Patek Philippe, or D. Tag Heuer? Think about it, and we'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of horological craftsmanship and innovation, starting with the Hamilton Khaki Field. This watch comes in 2 flavors, the handwound mechanical variant and the automatic variation. With the handwound version, you get to play the role of watch-winding maestro, twirling the crown and giving life to the intricate movement inside. And if you prefer a more hands-free approach, the automatic version charges itself simply by grazing your wrist with its presence. It's like a watch that gets its energy from fashionable vibes. Speaking of energy, the Khaki Field houses a high-tier Swiss mechanical movement, which is quite a rarity in watches that won't break the bank. It's a mechanical marvel that doesn't shy away from delivering precision and reliability. And guess what? No batteries required. That's right, it's a watch that powers itself, freeing you from the tyranny of battery replacements. Now, let's talk about its design. The Khaki Field is an epitome of simplicity and classic style, reminiscent of military field watches. It's a kind of design that effortlessly pairs with any outfit, whether you're going for a formal affair or a casual hangout. It's like having a reliable fashion ally on your wrist. But let's not forget about durability. The sapphire crystal guarding the dial is as tough as nails. It's highly scratch resistant, ensuring that wear and tear don't leave a mark easily. So whether you're actively pursuing your passion, getting your hands dirty, or engaging in athletic escapades, this watch can handle it all. It's a tough companion for the adventurous soul. Now here's the cherry on top. Thanks to its Swiss movement, brand heritage, and impeccable build quality, the Hamilton Khaki Field confidently stands toe-to-toe with watches that carry a jaw-dropping price tag. But guess what? You can often find it for a fraction of that cost. It's like having a secret deal with destiny, where you get a high-end watch without breaking the bank. And the best part, it will never need a battery. It's a timekeeping powerhouse that keeps ticking, driven by mechanical mastery. Next up is the Orient Bambino. If you have a penchant for simplicity and elegance in a dress watch, then look no further than the Orient Bambino. It's the epitome of refined timekeeping. Underneath its stylish exterior lies the impressive Orient Caliber 48743 automatic movement, proudly designed and manufactured by Orient themselves. Now that's quite a feat for a brand to have such control over their timekeeping destiny, especially at this price point. The Bambino boasts a classic and timeless design with a touch of sophistication, making it the perfect wrist companion for your office endeavors. Now let's talk about its crystal. The Bambino sports a dome acrylic crystal, which may not be the most scratch resistant. The sapphire crystal on the Hamilton Khaki Field might not hold that title, but hey, it brings something unique to the table. The slight distortion created by the dome shape adds an intriguing visual element that takes you back to the charm of vintage watches. It's like having a mini time traveling experience right on your wrist. Oh, did I mention its size? The Bambino measures a slightly larger 41mm, giving it that extra wrist presence and a touch of modernity compared to its smaller counterparts. It's a watch that effortlessly adapts to various wrist sizes, making it a versatile companion for any style-conscious individual. Next is the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80, a watch that brought a storm of style to the watch world. With its industrial allure, reminiscent of luxury timepieces from renowned watchmakers like Patek Philippe and Audemars Piguet, this watch is a true trendsetter. And the best part? It's a fraction of the price. But let's take a peek under the hood and uncover its hidden marvel, the automatic Powermatic 80 movement. While other affordable watches often sacrifice aesthetics to cut costs, Tissot refuses to compromise. The movement is surprisingly well decorated that can be admired through the transparent caseback. It's like having a backstage pass to the fascinating world of watch mechanics. And let's not forget the cherry on top, This watch can keep running for a whopping 80 hours when fully wound. It's like having an energetic marathon runner on your wrist. Now let's talk about its design. The PRX boasts a retro, geometric styling that flows through the case, exuding a sense of timeless elegance. And the integrated bracelet? It's a rare find at this price point. But Tissot goes above and beyond, ensuring that the bracelet is not only solid metal but also lightweight and remarkably comfortable. It's like wearing a feather on your wrist, perfectly tapered towards the clasp. Tissot has truly left no stone unturned when it comes to design, and their bracelet is a testament to their meticulous craftsmanship. It's a match made in horological heaven. Quick note, there is another version of the PRX that relies on battery for power, so make sure you pick the Powermatic version if you want to embrace the batteryless beauty. How can you tell them apart? Well, batteryless version flaunts a captivating waffle dial, while the quartz version does not. Trust me, the Powermatic may come with a slightly higher price tag, but it's worth every penny. Lastly, we have the Seiko 5 Sports GMT. Now what's a GMT watch, you ask? Well, it's like having a time-traveling companion on your wrist. These timepieces go above and beyond the regular hours and minutes. With an extra hand and 24-hour bezel, they effortlessly track another time zone, while keeping tabs on your own. It's like having a secret time-traveling superpower, perfect for globe-trotting adventures or those with far-flung family and co-workers. Here's where Seiko works its magic. Normally, watches with this level of complexity would cost you an arm and a leg, but Seiko, being the trailblazer they are, created their own movement for the GMT watches, the 4R34. It's an automatic movement with an additional module dedicated to the GMT function. They truly took affordable horology to a new level. But wait, there's more. The Seiko 5 GMTs are not just practical timekeeping tools. They're also fashion-forward accessories that make a statement on your wrist. My personal favorite is the SSK 003, lovingly nicknamed the Blueberry for its captivating blue-black dial and bezel. And if blue isn't your jam, fear not. There are two other variations available, the orange option and the stylish black-gray combo. With this variety, there's undoubtedly a Seiko 5 GMT that perfectly complements your unique style. And there you have it, the top 5 watches that require no batteries. From the exquisite craftsmanship of the mechanical marvels to the allure self-winding wonders. These timepieces truly represent the pinnacle of horological innovation. But before we wrap up, let's revisit the trivia question we asked at the beginning of the video. We ask, which famous Swiss watch manufacturer is credited with patenting the first self-winding automatic movement? And the correct answer is C, Patek Philippe. Congratulations if you got that right. Patek Philippe, known for their exceptional craftsmanship and timeless designs, pioneered the concept of self-winding automatic movement, revolutionizing the watch industry. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these battery-free watches caught your attention the most? Is there a specific timepiece you're eager to add to your collection? Share your thoughts and let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to explore more captivating content about watches, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll continue to uncover the most extraordinary timepieces that adorn our wrists. Thank you for joining us on this horological journey. Until next time, keep cherishing every moment and remember, time never stops ticking.